Hello everybody. So today I want to start your math lesson with a little subtracting within 10. So everybody get up please and let's start. Hope you're saying the answers. See if you can beat the time. These are Anthony's specialty. All right, good job everybody. So today we're going to talk about subtracting 3-digit numbers, okay? So there's not going to, you're not going to need to regroup with these, okay? But you are going to need to solve. And I should remind you that when you do this, you think about how you have the ones place, the tens place in the middle, and then the hundreds place. So we're going to start up here. 2 minus 1 is 1, and 4 minus 1 is 3, and 6 minus 3 is 3. So our difference is 331. Let's take a look at this next one. Again, think of, oops, I just crossed out the 2. Think about having those 3 columns. 8 minus 4 is 4, 6 minus 2 is 4, and 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay? So that's how you would do it if you were using a pencil and a paper. We're not doing that because we can't be in our school building today. So you're going to be doing your math online like you have been doing, okay? So the great thing about this, boys and girls, is that this is a really good skill for you guys to know how to do. When you're in 3rd grade next year and you take the MCAS, you're going to have to do your math online. So what I recommend you doing is doing it on paper and then putting your answer into the computer. All right, so let's take a look at this slideshow right here. So this first problem says 599. So I'm gonna write 599. You know, so I'm just using a piece of scrap paper. It doesn't really matter where it doesn't have to be completely organized as long as you can read it. So 599 minus 64. Okay, so minus 64. So I'm gonna do 9 minus 4 is 5. And 9 minus 6 is 3. And then 5 minus nothing, this means nothing, is 5. So now I'm ready to click on the text box, which is highlighted in yellow, and you'll know it's ready to do that when you see it all highlighted. And now I'm going to type in 535 as my answer. Then I go to my next one, and I go back to my scrap paper. 778 minus 63, okay? And I'm gonna do 8 minus 3 is 5, and 7 minus 1 is, I'm sorry, 7 minus 6 is 1, and 7 minus nothing, there's nothing in the hundreds place here, so it's just 7. So now I'm gonna go back, and I'm gonna type in my answer, 715. Oops, I forgot to highlight the box. See, that's what happened. 715. Okay, next problem, 398 minus 367. 8 minus 7 is 1, 9 minus 6 is 3, and 3 minus 3 is 0. You can write the 0 if you want as a placeholder, or you could just hold on to it. But now, when I go back, I notice, what happened to my text box? I think I must have deleted it accidentally. So if that happens, you have two choices. You can come up here, so Mrs. Bruin does this for you before I hand it out, and you can make your own text box. You just draw it in, okay? You don't worry about it being yellow, but if you wanna know how, this is all you do. You come over here, and I'm just gonna choose a font, and then I think I made this like a little bit bigger. And then if you want to fill it in so that it matches, you go to the fill color, and we'll make it yellow, and voila, there it is. So now I'm ready to add, just write in 31, okay? And it's a little bit different than the others, but it doesn't matter, okay? The second option you could do is you could do a comment. So if for some reason your text box gets deleted, just in the comments write 3 and write 31, and then Mrs. Bruin will see that, and I'll totally understand what you mean, okay? So I hope that helps you. So the text box is here, it's got a T, you click on it, and then you put it wherever you want. Let's say I want to write something right here, and there's my text box, okay? That's all you have to do. Let's just do this last one because we're on a roll here. All right, 675 minus 264 equals 5 minus 4 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1, and 6 minus 2 is 4. I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to type 411, okay? And there is my answer. Okay, my friends, that's your math lesson for today.